Hello, thinking about trading? A grand first step. Trading is an exciting journey that can open up a world of opportunities. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, there's always something new to learn and explore. Trading might sound complicated, but it's really just about buying and selling things. It's a process that has been around for centuries, evolving from simple bartering to the sophisticated stock markets we have today. Imagine you have a shiny conker and your friend has a bouncy ball. You might swap them. This simple exchange is the essence of trading. It's about finding value in what you have and what others have, and making a fair trade. That's a bit like trading. It's a mutual agreement where both parties feel they are getting something of value. This principle applies whether you're trading toys, goods, or stocks. With a trading account, you can swap money for shares or stocks, tiny pieces of a company. These shares represent ownership in the company, and their value can go up or down based on how the company performs. It's like owning one single brick in a giant castle made of business. Each brick contributes to the overall structure, and as the castle grows, so does the value of your brick. This guide will help you step by step, like following a friendly path in a garden. No need to rush. Take your time to understand each concept, and soon you'll feel more confident in your trading journey. We want to make sure it's all clear. We'll break down complex ideas into simple, easy-to-understand pieces. Think of it as building blocks that will form a solid foundation for your trading knowledge. Learning new things can be a treat, especially when it helps with your pennies. Every bit of knowledge you gain can help you make better decisions and potentially grow your investments. Opening a trading account is your first big step, like finding a special key that unlocks a new door. Behind that door, a world of exciting possibilities. It's the beginning of a new adventure where you can explore different markets and investment opportunities. A world of exciting possibilities. From stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs, there are many ways to invest and grow your money. Each option has its own risks and rewards, and we'll guide you through them. It might seem like magic at first, but it's just a clever way to help your money grow a bit, if you're careful. By understanding the basics and making informed decisions, you can take advantage of the opportunities that trading offers. So let's get started on this grand adventure. With the right knowledge and tools, you'll be well equipped to navigate the world of trading. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the exciting possibilities that await. So, why would you want a trading account? Well, let's dive into the world of trading accounts and see why they can be a fantastic tool for managing your finances and investments. Think of it as a special box for your trading activities. This box isn't just any ordinary box, it's a magical one that can help you organize and manage your investments efficiently. You put money in, buy shares, and sell them too. It keeps everything tidy. Imagine having a neat and organized space where all your financial transactions are tracked and managed seamlessly. One big reason is to try and make your money grow, like planting a seed and watching it grow into a big plant. Just like a gardener tends to their plants, you can nurture your investments and watch them flourish over time. But remember, plants can droop too. Not every investment will be a winner, and it's important to be prepared for some ups and downs along the way. It's not a get-rich-quick trick. Patience is key, and understanding that building wealth through trading takes time is crucial. It takes time, care, and learning. Just like any skill, becoming proficient in trading requires dedication, continuous learning, and a willingness to adapt to new information. A trading account means you can own bits of companies, big ones that make things you know, like biscuits or cars. Imagine being a part owner of your favorite brands and products. You won't own the whole company, just a tiny slice like a crumb of a giant cake. But even that small slice can be valuable and rewarding. It's exciting to say, I own a little bit of that. There's a sense of pride and accomplishment in being a shareholder, no matter how small your stake. A trading account can help you plan for your future, maybe for something special like a new bike or a trip. It's a way to set goals and work towards achieving them through smart investments. It's a way to put money aside and hope it grows a bit more later on. By consistently investing, you can build a nest egg that supports your future aspirations. Always good to think ahead. Planning and foresight are essential components of successful trading and investing. So why not start today and see where your trading account can take you? To do all this trading, you need a helper called a broker. But what exactly is a broker, and why do you need one? Let's dive into the world of brokers and understand their role in the trading ecosystem. A broker is a company that helps you buy and sell shares like an organized shopkeeper. Imagine walking into a store where you can pick and choose the shares you want to buy or sell. The broker facilitates these transactions for you. They have the tools and connections to make your trading happen smoothly. These tools include advanced software, market analysis, and a network of contacts that ensure your trades are executed efficiently and at the best possible prices. You can't just knock on a company's door and ask for a share. You need a broker. Companies don't sell shares directly to individuals. They rely on brokers to handle these transactions. This is where brokers come in, acting as intermediaries between you and the stock market. They are the link between you and the market, where all the buying and selling happens. Without brokers, accessing the stock market would be incredibly challenging for individual investors. The market is like a giant invisible auction, and the broker helps you take part safely. They ensure that your bids and offers are placed correctly and that you get a fair deal. Brokers offer trading accounts, the ones we've been talking about. These accounts are essential for managing your investments, tracking your trades, and accessing various market tools and resources. There are many brokers out there, big and small, each a bit different. Some specialize in certain types of investments, while others offer a wide range of services. It's important to find one that fits your specific needs and trading style. Choosing a broker is important, like picking a new friend for an adventure. You want someone who understands your goals, offers good support, and provides the tools you need to succeed in your trading journey. You want someone reliable, helpful, and fair, who makes things easy to understand. A good broker will guide you through the complexities of the market and help you make informed decisions, not someone who uses long, tricky words. The best brokers communicate clearly and make sure you understand every step of the process. We'll talk more about how to pick a good one. Stay tuned as we explore the qualities to look for in a broker and how to make the best choice for your trading needs. How do you pick a good broker? It's like choosing the best wellies for a muddy puddle. First, make sure the broker is safe and regulated. Check if they are regulated by the proper authorities. You want your money to be safe. Next, look at how easy they are to use. Their website or trading app should be simple and clear. You don't want to get lost or press the wrong button. Look for clear instructions and helpful guides. Think about what things they let you trade. Some brokers have a massive list of choices. If you're just starting, you might not need 1,000 options, just a good selection of well-known things. And don't forget about help and support. It's good to know there are friendly folk to help. Do they have a phone number, email, or chat box? A good broker will be happy to help you. Before you can open your trading account, the broker needs to know a bit about you. It's the rules to keep everything safe. They need to check you are who you say you are. You'll need a photo ID like a passport or driving license. Make sure it's not out of date. Then you'll need your social security number or your country's equivalent. Brokers need this for tax reasons. And last but not least, your bank information. This means the details of your normal bank account. They'll need your bank's name, account number, and maybe a sort code or routing number. This is so you can move money into your trading account and take your profits out if you make some. Are your papers all sorted? Smashing. Now for the exciting bit, opening the account. Go to the broker's website and look for a button like Open an Account. Click it, and your adventure begins. You'll see an application form. It's usually online, so you type in your answers. They'll ask for your name, address, and date of birth. Just take your time and fill it in carefully. The form will also ask about your job and how much money you earn. Brokers have to ask these things by law. It helps them understand your financial situation. They might also ask about your trading experience. Be honest in your answers. It helps the broker give you the right information and point you to helpful learning tools. Once you've filled in the form, well done. The next step is to send your documents. You can usually do this online by scanning them or taking a clear photo. The broker will check your application and documents to make sure everything matches up. This step is called verification. It can take a few hours or a few days, so be patient. Then, the moment you've been waiting for. The broker will send you a message, usually an email telling you if your account has been approved. Hooray! Your trading account is open for business. Your account is open. Now you need to put some money into it. This is called making your first deposit. You'll link your bank account. Some brokers require a minimum deposit, so check this before choosing your broker. Now let's talk about fees. Fees are charges the broker might have for their services. There might be a fee when you buy or sell shares. Some brokers might charge a fee just to have the account. It's important to understand the fees. A good broker will be clear about all their charges. They should have a list on their website. Read it carefully, so you know what to expect. Knowing about fees helps you plan your trading better. Your account is open and has money in it. You are ready to dip your toes in the trading water. But don't rush off just yet. Take a moment to breathe. The first thing to do is get comfortable with the broker's website or trading app. This is called the trading platform. See where all the important buttons are. Many brokers have practice accounts or demo accounts which let you play with pretend money. When you start trading with real money, start small. Don't put all your savings into one thing straight away. It's often wiser to spread your money out a bit. This is called diversification. Keep on learning. Trading takes practice, patience, and a bit of know-how. Read guides, watch videos, and keep learning. The more you understand, the more confident you'll feel. And remember to have fun. It's your own exciting journey.